Today, you are going to learn how to earn a lot of money online. I'm talking about up to $400 every day without selling anything, having prior experience, or using affiliate marketing. All you need to do is copy and paste some text. I'll also share with you 2 other websites to increase your earnings and an incredible tool that can speed up the process in less than 5 minutes. It's as easy as following 3 simple steps to make even more money. So click that subscribe button and let's learn how to make money online. First things first, let's go to google.com. Everyone knows Google by now, right? Once you're there, type in Google News. You're now on the homepage of Google News. It's like an online newspaper where you can find news about everything under the sun. World news, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, and more. This is the real Google website, and you can find all kinds of news on it. Now, you might be wondering, why should you even care about this? And how can you make money just by browsing a news site? Well, let me explain. At the top of the page, you'll see various news categories like world news and local news. We'll concentrate on the interesting topics like business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. So now that we're only looking for these exciting areas, choose one of the categories you're interested in. However, for today's video, we're focusing on the health category. Click on it and see what's happening. As you scroll down, you'll discover fresh news articles about health. And in this case, let's pick fitness. So let's see. This one caught my attention. Let's click on it and learn more. Now that we found the article we'll be working on, I'll show you something interesting. Are you ready to learn a cool trick for creating unique content? First, as I just demonstrated, you need to find an article like on Google News and copy it. Let me do that. I'll select the text like this and right-click and choose copy. But wait, we can't simply just copy it and use it as it is. We need to make sure we don't get into trouble for copyright. This is where Spinbot comes in. Head over to Spinbot and paste the text from the article you found into the website. Now, here's where the magic happens. Spinbot is a special software that takes the article you just copied and rewrites it in your own words. That's right. You'll end up with a completely new article with the same topic as the original one you found on Google News. You might wonder why we need to do this. Well, if we just copied and pasted the original article, we could run into legal trouble due to copyright issues. By using Spinbot, we avoid all of that and create a brand new piece of content. Let me do that. I'll paste the article into Spinbot. Click Basic Spin and wait for a few seconds. Now you have a unique blog post, article, or whatever you want to call it. I'd also like to make something clear. If you want to retain certain words like names, numbers, quotes, or anything specific that you don't want to change, click on this option right here and you can specify what you want to keep. It's a good idea to review the article before using it, which is why I suggest selecting an article that genuinely interests you. You can actually earn a significant amount of money with this article, and I'll explain how to start. You should copy this article and store it securely because we're going to sell it to a couple of websites that are willing to pay generously for our written content. These websites will pay you $1 for every word you write. And believe me, these articles can be quite lengthy, containing thousands of words. This means we're looking at substantial earnings here. Once you've safely saved this article, we'll dive into the process of making real money. So just stay with me and I'll guide you through the steps. Now, let's talk about the first website, which is eatingwell.com. This is where things get exciting because they're willing to compensate you with $1 for each word you write. And here's the best part, you won't have to handle the challenging part of creating the content yourself. You can easily craft articles by using Google News and Spinbot without worrying about copyright issues. What's even better than that is that you won't need to engage in selling affiliate marketing or any form of marketing at all. Stay with me till the end, because I have something exciting to share with you. I'll reveal how you can make money from 2 additional websites. One of them offers up to $2 for every word you write and accepts articles on a wide range of topics, including money, health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. This means you can increase your earnings by using multiple websites. So with eatingwell.com paying you $1 for each word you write, if you have a 1,000-word article, you'll earn $1,000. And the other website I'm about to introduce you to pays $2 per word, which could amount to $2,000. It's incredibly simple, and you won't have to dedicate hours to writing or spending any money. You can start earning money right away. Now, you might be wondering how to actually receive payment for your article, and the process is straightforward. Once you're on the website, you'll notice that they offer $1 for every word you submit. Then you'll need to find the email address provided on the website and send them an email with the subject line Content Submission. In the email, let them know that you have an article you'd like to submit and express your enthusiasm to hear back from them. To make it even more professional, I'll provide you with a template you can use. After that, simply copy and paste your article onto the email and click send. If they're interested in your article, they'll respond and request your payment details. Don't worry, there shouldn't be any issues. Since it's your own article, you have the flexibility to choose how you want to receive your payment, whether it's through PayPal, a bank transfer, or whatever method suits you best. It's pretty straightforward. The best part is you can start doing this right now as you watch this video. Just follow along with me, and you'll be able to begin writing your own article. Furthermore, with Google News continuously publishing news every few hours, the potential to earn is virtually limitless. If you take a look at the health category, you'll notice that there are numerous subcategories offering endless opportunities to make money. The more you engage in this, the more money you can earn. Now, let's explore the first website you can give a try, Eating Well. However, I'm also going to keep my promise and share 2 more websites where you can submit your articles. The second website is Popular Science, which is quite similar to Eating Well but has a faster submission process. Here, all you need to do is send queries, and once they reply, you can submit the complete article. On this website, you can find their email address, and you can send your query along with your contact details to this email address. For this website, it's important to focus on topics related to technology. You'll go back to Google News, navigate to the technology section, and search for something that grabs your attention. For instance, let's choose this article and paste it into the Spinbot and have it rewritten in your own words and style. This process will help you craft an original and engaging article that you can submit to the Popular Science website, all without worrying about copyright issues. Everything we're doing here is completely legitimate as long as you write your own words and make the content unique. Now, let's discuss the last website in our list, arp.org. If you're interested in learning how to submit your articles to them, simply visit their website and review their submission process. And this website offers a compensation of up to $2 for every word you write, thus more money compared to the other 2 websites we've talked about. Additionally, they accept articles on a wide range of topics, including health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. So here's what you can do: submit your articles to all 3 websites: Eating Well, Popular Science, and AARP. However, make sure you provide different articles to each website, because they won't accept the same content twice. Even if they only accept 1 article per day, you still have the potential to earn hundreds of dollars daily. Naturally, not every article you submit will be accepted because they may already have similar content on their website. But no worries, you can begin this process right now for free and receive direct payments to your PayPal or bank account. There's no need to sell anything or possess any experience in affiliate marketing. Simply copy, paste, and send an email. If you can do that, you can make money with this method. The last bonus I have for you is a website that provides a tool to help you write articles completely from scratch. So if you don't want to spend time searching for articles on Google News, you can use this tool to generate a full article in less than 3 minutes. This tool can be a real game changer, and I'll show you how to use it for free right now. As you can see, this tool is part of an awesome website. It's an updated version of an AI article writer tool that can assist you in crafting premium quality, SEO-friendly blog articles of up to 3,000 words in just 3 simple steps. The website offers a variety of other incredible tools, but we'll focus on this AI article writer for now. To access this tool, you can see it says get started with 10,000 free words and no credit card required. Trust me, you only need a fraction of that word count to make thousands of dollars. Simply provide your name and email address, and they'll send you an activation link. Once you receive it in your inbox, click on it to log in. Now let me walk you through how to use this tool. Click on the AI article writer option right here. Then enter the topic you want to write your article about. For example, let's say we want to write something in the health niche. Go to Google News and find an article. Let's choose this one. Copy the title of the article, go back to the website and paste it here. Click Search Keywords and it will provide you with a list of keywords related to your topic. You can select a few of them, ensuring they are closely related to the subject you are writing about. After highlighting them, copy them and separate them with commas and click Next. Now, I won't get into many specifics in this video, so simply click Generate Ideas. It will present you with 3 title options to choose from. I'll select the first one. Now let's move on to creating outlines by clicking on Generate Outline. Thank you for joining us on this incredible learning video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay motivated, keep dreaming, and never stop believing in yourself. Until next time, take care.